Hi everyone, welcome to SastaSari.com. I am Twisha Zaveri and I will give you a little introduction about myself. I am a textile engineer by profession and that's why we are in this field of beautiful textiles, right? India is a textile diversified country and textile industry is a base for India, right? So we are dealing basically with major saris, all types of saris we have, and the best thing about us is we know the fabric, we know the quality, we know the requirements of a particular product, their comfort zone, customer satisfaction, everything. So all these small basic parameters we just concentrate on that, because for us at Sasta Sari, just customer satisfaction is must. We are trying to give quality products at the best prices possible. We are manufacturers of sari. We are based in Surat, right? So we are giving directly to customers and users on factory rate. So you are going to get beautiful designer fashionable saris at very minimal rates. Plus we are dealing all those things online. So we have our website www.sastasari.com and we are dealing each and every single platform. We are there, whether it's Insta, it's FB, it's any platform, YouTube, we are always there. So we want to cater customers from all over the world, and right now also we are shipping to every part of the country as well as apart from the country. First and the foremost thing about any customer is that they should get a COD facility, that is cash on delivery facility, if they are ordering anything online, right? So yes, we are providing you COD facility. Not only that, we are also giving 7-day return policy because we trust our products 100%. So we directly give our customers that liberty that you can select the product and you can return the product if you do not like. We are not going to question you about anything. We'll just simply take it back, our product, right? So without any hesitation, you can connect with us, whether you want to take a single sari or you want to take in bulk. We are there for you. It's all sorted. We have major types of fabrics with us, plus minimal range, so you can get the budget set for yourself and you can get the best product possible. Like our prices are so very competitive as compared to market rates, and that is our guarantee. So you do visit once our website and you will be our regular customer for sure. So I'll just quickly show you some of the fabrics, some of the quality saris we are making right now. We have lot of range available, but right now I'm just showing you few for the idea that what exactly we are dealing with, right? So these are the few saris I have listed here. You can see that it's organza material right now, much in demand, with beautiful Lucknowi work. This is Georgette sari with cut border and overall sequence, right? This is digital print sari, of course, with beautiful embroidery border. This is Georgette printed with Zamawar border. This is Banarasi silk. These are all weaving things, right? It's very beautiful. Plus this is soft net sari with chikankari work. These are just few saris. We have many varieties at our website, or you can contact us on WhatsApp as well. We do deliver all over India, and apart from India, we ship out of India as well. So whether you are in India or not, you want to gift somebody for this coming festive seasons, you can definitely contact us and trust us with the quality, because for us everything should be competitive with the price but not at the cost of quality. Quality and customer satisfaction are two basic things for us, and we just focus on that because we have been educated in that way. Being an engineer, we know where to focus, how much to focus, and what to give to customer so that they can get the best product ever. I hope this video will be helpful to you, and I really look forward to meet all you my customers on our website soon. Thank you so much. Keep watching sastasari.com and keep following. Thank you. Bye bye.